Okay, this is Sunrise Ranch Bees. This is June 21st, solstice, 2018. And this is going to be hopefully a quick inspection of hive number 3, formerly the nuke hive. And we will see what we've got going on this morning. Okay. All right, I'm sorry. Just want to make sure everything's still working here. It's kind of a dead minute. This is Karin at Sunrise Ranch Bees, and we are going to do a quick inspection on what we are now calling hive number 3, which was a nuke to start with and has been moved up into this new hive body with a new plastic screen bottom board. And I put this board in the bottom 2 days ago to see what was going on. And the board is holding some water. We had a major rainstorm, and I am not sure what all I'm seeing on here, but you can get a look at it, and to me it looks like little bits of wax, but and I see an ant carrying a larva here. So I don't know if you can see it right here by my thumb. He's scurrying right down the frame right here. So we did have hive beetles larvae in the hive, this hive here, and I had a second super on there, and I had moved some honey up because the hive I felt was honey bound, and not much going on there. Anyway, it nothing going on there. So when I pulled the frames apart, this is actually hive number 1. When I pulled the frames apart, they were a whole bunch of maggots came bubbling out of some burr comb that was between the 2 frames of honey. So I removed them and took the honey away and put those frames in the refrigerator, in the freezer, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to keep looking at these. I do see what appears to be eggs. in the bottom of this frame. They are all in the dead center, but they are listing, mostly pointing down a little toward the bottom. So see some not seeing any larvae. I'm seeing what looks like some capped brood right here. But so far that's all I see on this frame. A lot of honey, nectar storage, not honey, nectar all around here, but it's not capped off yet. And a little bit of pollen. And I'm not seeing any eggs on this side. Not seeing any eggs on this side. Just some more what looks like capped brood right here, this little tiny spot. Not seeing the queen. And I don't even know if there's a queen in here for sure. I'm getting, so I have to record everything and look at it so that I know what I'm doing. If I forget, I can always go back and look. I probably should look at them before I go in so I know what I'm looking at. But let's see what else we have here. Sorry about that. Just making sure my smoker's smoking. Now these bees, to me, sound like they have a queen. I'm not 100% sure of that method, but they seem very quiet. They're all doing their jobs and working, and they are not look at all this capped brood. Hallelujah. Capped brood. Oh boy. That is exciting. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep looking, but I don't really feel I need to. I know that there is a working queen in here, but I just want to check because of seeing those hive beetles. Look at capped brood. Ah, wonderful, wonderful. Very, very wonderful. Alrighty. Lots of nectar around the top, pollen stores in there, That looks like a perfect frame for the queen to get laying on. And same with this one. They have this nice bow of honey around the top and a lot of empty, oh, I see eggs. So she must be quite close. I would love to see her. Ah, sigh of relief here. All right, well, I'm not going to mess around, don't want to mess anything up. Drawing some more comb on this frame, lots of pollen. Drawn comb on this side. Well, I don't think they like this right cell as much as the other stuff, but hopefully when they need it, they'll get to work on it. So, don't ask me why I just did that. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Okay, hunker down, you guys. Oh well, I'm just gonna let you guys dive down. Come on. All right, so that's, I'm sorry. There you go. And I did not see any hive beetles on the bottom board. I did see one ant pulling some larvae. I did not see the queen, but there are 2 frames of brood, capped brood, and I did see eggs, but I don't want to mess with it too much further because personally I don't want the queen to fall out. So thanks for watching Sonrise Ranch Bees, June 21st, 2018. God bless you.